Are you a polite person? Do you want to be polite in English? If so, this video is for you. Hello everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk about indirect questions with interrogative words such as when, what, who or how, and so on and so forth, because I see a lot of people struggling with indirect questions, and I hope what I'm going to talk about is helpful for you to improve your writing skills or speaking skills. So without any further ado, let's start. Have you ever heard of indirect questions? There are two types, direct questions and indirect questions. And we see indirect questions everywhere, all the time. And they sound a little more polite and softer. So it's good to use them when you want to be polite or when you ask someone that you don't really know about. So an indirect question is a question embedded into a statement or another question, and they are usually with those phrases that you can see on the screen right now. And to be more clear, I'm going to give you some example sentences. As you can see, there are two sentences. Where's Monica? Why are you looking for her? Those are direct questions. They are normal questions. Now, the sentences that you are looking at are indirect questions. An interrogative word where is inside a statement or inside another question. They are indirect questions. Now, let's check for your understanding. Please don't go away. I'm going to give you two sentences. Each sentence has one error. Can you identify them? So the first sentence is, can you tell me where is the station? Can you tell me where is the station? Can you identify the error? The second one is, I don't know why do you like them? I don't know why do you like them? Did you find the error? Even if you cannot find the error, don't worry. I'm going to take a closer look at them. Let's look at the first sentence. Can you tell me where is the station? How can we fix the sentence? We can improve the red part. The sentence should be, can you tell me where the station is? We need to fix the word order. A lot of people get influenced by the direct question, where is the station? Keep that in mind. The word order is interrogative word, subject, verb. If you really want to improve your writing skills, I recommend that at some point you should take time to practice identifying parts of speech. Parts of speech are subject, verb, object, and stuff like that. Okay, the second sentence. I don't know why do you like him? How can we fix the sentence? The sentence should be, I don't know why you like him. We need to get rid of the auxiliary do. Again, we get influenced by the direct question, do you like him? Auxiliary do, does, did are not needed, so verb conjugations happen. What I mean is, if you use she or he, you need to change the verb to likes. There are two things you might want to keep in mind. When the interrogative word is the subject of the noun clause, the word order won't change. Another thing is, when you use auxiliary verb like should, can, have, will, etc., you won't get rid of them. They stay. I know, it's confusing, isn't it? For those who got confused, I prepared 5 exercise sentences at the end of the video. So please check them out and see whether you can judge if they're correct or not. And keep the number of questions that you answered correctly. And let me know the number in the comment. Also, you can memorize those exercise sentences because your body will help you remember what you learn. Like your body will make your passive knowledge active. So you can make a video where you say those exercise sentences, or maybe you can make some sample sentences and share them in the comment. So that's all. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you very soon. Bye!